Hey, credit heroes! Are you ready to unlock the secrets of homeownership through credit repair? Well, today I'm sharing industry secrets that will not only help you or your clients secure a dream home, but can help to save you thousands of dollars on a mortgage. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
Today we're unlocking the secrets of credit repair for homeownership. With interest rates high and the real estate market more competitive than ever, a good credit score is the golden ticket to not only buy your dream home, but also to save thousands of dollars on your mortgage. When you start utilizing the credit repair strategies that we talk about on this show, and you start attracting new clients, many of your most enthusiastic leads are going to be interested in credit repair as a step along their home buying journey. And you, credit hero, are in a unique position to be a massive help to them on that journey, as their credit score can impact the interest rates that they get, potentially saving them thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars over the life of their loan. Here's how this relates to us. In your work as a credit hero, understanding the role of credit in homeownership is crucial. Whether you are a first-time home buyer yourself or you're guiding clients through the process, it's very important to know how credit scores, payment history, and debt-to-income ratios impact your ability to get a mortgage. The credit score is not just a number. It's a reflection of your financial habits and your trustworthiness. And a higher credit score will lead to better loan terms for your mortgage. Here's the thing to remember. Lenders don't just focus on credit scores, okay? They also look into credit reports and payment histories, patterns of on-time payments, and low credit utilization rates. And a diverse mix of credit accounts can really improve a mortgage application. Debt-to-income ratio, which we'll call DTI. This is another crucial factor in mortgage approvals because it measures the percentage of a person's gross monthly income that goes towards paying debts. The lower the DTI, the more favorably lenders will view your application. A DTI below 36% is generally preferred, with no more than 28% of that debt going towards the mortgage. Here's why this is important. A good credit score and a healthy financial profile are essential for anyone who wants to buy a home. A higher credit score can bring you lower interest rates, making the mortgage more affordable, and can save you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. By taking proactive steps to improve your credit, like paying off debts and reducing credit card usage, you or your clients can improve the chances of qualifying for a lower rate mortgage. Here's what you need to know. Mortgage options can be complex, and this is where your expertise as a credit hero becomes invaluable. Each type of mortgage has its own credit score requirements and nuances, so let's get into them. Conventional mortgages. Typically, these require a credit score of 620 or higher. A higher credit score not only increases the likelihood of your approval, but it also can result in a much better interest rate and loan terms. FHA loans. Designed for lower-income borrowers, FHA loans can be available for those with credit scores as low as 500. However, for scores between 500 and 579, a higher down payment may be required. Scores above 580 can enjoy lower down payment. VA loans. Aimed at veterans and active military members, VA loans have more lenient credit requirements and often do not require a down payment or private mortgage insurance. However, a great credit score can still get you a way better interest rate. USDA loans. These are ideal for buyers in rural areas, and they require no down payment. While they don't specify a minimum credit score, lenders typically prefer a score of 640 or higher. Now, here are a few reminders to improve your odds of getting an approval at the very best interest rate. Periodically review your credit reports for errors. Even small inaccuracies can impact your credit scores, So correcting these errors can be a quick way to improve your credit worthiness. Remember that preparing for a mortgage is a long-term process. Developing good financial habits like regular savings and budget management can greatly improve your mortgage application when the time comes. So how exactly can you improve your credit score and lower the debt-to-income ratio? Well, here are 5 easy steps. Pay down your debts. Reducing outstanding debt, especially high-interest credit card debt, can improve both your credit scores and your debt-to-income ratio. Avoid applying for any new credit, okay? Prior to a mortgage application, you do not want to apply for anything at all because that inquiry will be another ding on your credit score. So don't take on any new debts because this can increase your debt-to-income ratio. Increase income. While it's not always immediately possible, if you can find a way to increase your income in any way, this can improve your debt-to-income ratio. So if you can explore new avenues for income like seeking a promotion or taking on a side gig, now is the time to do it. Set payment reminders. Your bill payments must be on time, so set up automatic payments or calendar reminders to avoid any missed payments. Check your credit reports for accuracy. 79% of all credit reports contain errors, so that means most credit reports have errors. So use a tool like Credit Repair Cloud to help yourself or your clients to review their credit reports from all 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and review them very carefully. Look for incorrect information like wrongly reported late payments or fraudulent accounts that you don't recognize, because these can significantly impact your credit scores. Credit Repair Cloud makes it very easy to find and dispute any inaccuracies. With your help in correcting errors, you'll see an improvement in the credit scores, which will in turn improve the success of the mortgage application. By educating and guiding your clients with these industry secrets, you're going to play an important role in their journey towards homeownership. And remember, effective credit management is about more than just numbers. It's about unlocking life-changing opportunities. And here's my final point. As a credit hero, you have the power to turn home buying dreams into a reality. By sharing these secrets and guiding your clients, you're not just repairing credit, you are building futures. Remember, every step you take in improving a client's credit is a step closer to their dream home and a better financial future. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn more about mastering credit repair, check out my episode on the top 5 mistakes to avoid as a credit repair business. And if you'd like to get certified in disputing and gain confidence and grow your very own credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge. Doors are closing soon, so sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com and keep changing lives.